good morning. So this is our chapter Animal Kingdom, and today we'll study about the class Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. Let's see what are the characteristics of class Amphibia. As the name indicates, amphi means dual and bios means life. Amphibians can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitats. Most of them have two pairs of limbs, bodies divisible into head and trunk. Tail may be present in some cases. The amphibian skin is moist, means it's without scales. The eyes have eyelids. A tympanum represents the ear. Um, Alimentary canal, urinary and reproductive tracts open into a common chamber called cloaca, which open to the exterior. And next characteristics we'll study in the next slide. Respiration is by gills, lungs and through moist skin. The heart is three-chambered, two auricles and one ventricle is present. There is mixing of blood. Deoxygenated and oxygenated blood both mix in this. These are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external, means they give out their gametes in the water and fusion takes place in the water. They are oviparous and development is indirect. Oviparous means eggs lay करने वाले and development is indirect means larval stage is present. And examples are bufo, toad, which is also called toad, Dana tigrina, frog, it's called frog, hyla, tree frog, salamander, and limbless amphibians, it's thyophis. In this slide, you can see the pictures of different amphibians, salamander and toad, hyla, tree frog. These all are present here. Now let's study the characteristics of reptilians. The class name refers to their creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. In Latin language, rapri or reptum means to creep or crawl. They are mostly terrestrial animals and their body is covered by dry and cornified skin. Epidermal, scales or scutes. They don't have external ear openings. Tympanum represents ear. Limbs when present are two pairs and heart is usually three-chambered, but in crocodile it's four-chambered. Reptiles are poikilothms, means cold-blooded. Snakes and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. Sexes are separate, fertilization is internal and they are oviparous and development is direct. Examples are turtle, tortoise, chameleon and garden lizard, calots and crocodiles, alligator. These are the different examples of reptilians. Naja, cobra which is also called and crate etc. In this slide you can see the pictures of different reptilians, crocodile, turtle, tortoise etc. Next class is aves. The characteristic features of aves means birds are the presence of feathers and most of them can fly except flightless birds, for example ostrich. They possess beak. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming or clasping the tree branches. Skin is dry without glands except the oil gland at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton is fully ossified. It's bony and the long bones are having hollow air cavities. They are pneumatic bones, means they are hollow and help to them fly. The digestive tract of birds have additional chambers, the crop, the gizzard, etc. Heart is completely four-chambered and they are warm-blooded, homeothermous. Warm-blooded animals that their body temperature is constant. They are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal, and they are oviparous, and development is direct. Now let's study the characteristics of class Mammalia. They are found in variety of habitats, polar ice caps, deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands and dark caves. Some of them have adapted to fly and some of them can live in water. Example is whale, and which can fly, or bat, etc. The most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk producing glands. That's, they are having mammary glands by which young ones are nourished. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming or flying, etc. And the skin of mammals is unique in possessing hair. External ear or pinna are present. Different types of teeth are present in the jaw. Heart is four-chambered. They're homeothermous, means they have constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are viviparous with few exceptions, and development is direct. Examples: oviparous, two mammals are oviparous: Ornithorhynchus, Platypus commonly called, and Ecdina. And viviparous are kangaroo. Kangaroo is marsupial, and flying fox, camelus, monkey, rat, dog, phallus, and equus, which is also called horse, and these all are viviparous animals. So we have studied about the features of amphibians and reptilians, aves and mammalia. In this slide, you can see the pictures of different mammals. Cow, kangaroo. Kangaroo is having marsupial pouch. Then bat is a flying mammal, and rat, and then mongoose, and then baboon, and rabbit and dolphin are present here.